Home prices are rising. I'm Eric Engelbert with Orange County Real Estate. Welcome to our weekly market report, where as always, we bring you the real estate data that we gather directly from the MLS. This is real-time data over the last 7 days. So there's a few media outlets reporting that home values are down, and year over year, our home values are down. We had a downturn a couple of months last year, specifically July and October, but since the beginning of 2023, home prices have been inching upward, and that's because we have such a strong buyer demand and very little people selling homes. All right, let's take a look at the data, specifically the last 7 days, and see if we can find any trends. All right, so the first slide is our inventory data, and as you can see, inventory in Orange County has dipped a little bit. All residential units for sale is 2,210, and then in the US it's gone down another week. It's down now, this is just single family homes, down to 410,000. So again, our inventory is low and demand is still high. So OC, under contract and pending, that went down just by 10 units. It's 1,936. New listings for the last 7 days had a good surge there. But last week we also had a pretty big surge of homes or properties that sold, so 508. The next slide is our days on market slide. So here we can see that there is strong buyer demand with the days on market. 31 is the median days on market for all properties in Orange County. The average days on market is 60. If we look at under $1 million, that's down to 24. Well, 24 2 weeks in a row, that's pretty low. Properties that are priced between $1 million and $2 million, that's 27 days. And over $2 million, 52 days. So these are all very strong numbers showing that there is a lot of buyer demand. Let's go to the next slide, and this is our key stats slide. On here shows our OC median single family home list price. That dropped to 1.240. So in the last 7 days, the median price of new listings is 1.240. And the median price of condos and townhomes is at 749,000. So we're just keeping an eye on these numbers because of these new listings. This tells us what homes are going to sell for in like the next 30 days, right? We just looked at the days on market. So the median days on markets was 30 something. So within 30 days, the median sales price or close price should be close to this 1.240 number. In 3 weeks, last week, our median price for single family homes was 1.689. So in another 21 days, 28, 21, 27 days, somewhere near there, the median close price should be closer to 1.617 for the whole county on single family homes. So this is just projecting what's going to happen in the next 30 to 60 days. All right, sold price versus list price. Remember 3 weeks ago we had a week where homes were selling for over ask. Now we've had 2 weeks in a row where it's just under ask. Now it's 1.7% less than ask. So there is a little bit of negotiating going on the seller's part. All right, I'm changing this. We were looking at homes that sold or accepted an offer in the first 2 days, immediate sales. Those stats haven't really changed that much. So I wanted to look at the median price of closed single family homes in the last 7 days. That jumped up to $1,246,000. And I think if we go up to this top line here, last week 1.689 for the list price. In 3 weeks, this number is going to be closer to the 1.689. So we'll keep an eye on that. And then median price of condos and townhomes over the last 7 days, this was 710,000. Okay, let's jump into the Costa Mesa data and single family homes. The average list price is 1.7. That went down a little bit. We'll see if the average close price in a month is closer to 1.7. The average close price right now is 1.327, so that dropped down quite a bit from last week, just based on the listings that were available. Average days on market, 32. That's a good strong number. Price reductions, 25%. Total inventory, 40. The next slide is the condo data in Costa Mesa. The average list price, about the same. It went down a little bit. The average close price, as you can see, jumped way up. 320,000. So that's a huge number, but that's because the average list price jumped way up a month ago, actually probably 2 months ago. And in Costa Mesa, we have 8 condos that are listed at 1.18 or higher. Which is why our days on market is high, why our average list price is high, and a couple of those must have sold, so that's how come we have this higher average close price for the last 7 days. These condos these are all newer condos that have been built in the last 2018, 2019, 2020, those 3 levels with rooftops and attached garages and stuff, and a lot of times they don't even have attached walls, by the way, but they just have to be called a condo. All right, total inventory 18. So that's our data this week. I just want to reiterate that a lot of media outlets are reporting that home values are down, and year over year they are down because we had some bad months. We had some months last month where values did go down, but they've been increasing steadily since this entire year. So really year over year is not we're not that much lower than we were a year ago because we're going up. So it's the spring now. We're officially in the spring market. Let's hope that we get some more inventory, some people who do want to sell, and we'll keep an eye on all that stuff, but nothing major to report, no major news. If you guys are considering selling or considering buying, reach out to us and we'll get you data for your target area. Also keep in mind that we do find off-market properties every week. Make sure you're on our email list if you are looking for a specific area. Let us know and we'll try and see what's available there, but also the off-market opportunities that will be coming in that area. All right, thank you guys for watching and have a great week.